Hello guys, welcome to GeeksPort. Today we'll see how to download a website for offline use. So let's start. I'm going to use HTTP Tech software. HTTP Tech allows you to download any website for offline use and is very easy to use. First, download the software. Now install the software. I accept. Next, 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 next. Now install. Now finish at last. Now launch the software. First, enter project name. I am going to download Java T Point website. First, copy this URL. Now project name Java T Point. Project category website. Here, select the path where you want to download the website. I am select desktop. From the drop down menu, in front of action, select download website. In future, if you want to update the download data, select update existing download. But now we are selecting download website. Now enter this URL in this web address bar and click on next. Now finish. HTTP Tech will now download the entire website for your offline browsing. The download process can take time based on your internet speed and size of the website you are downloading. HTTP Tech can download entire website. Entire means entire, all the text, images, GIFs and videos, all of it. Now, after download process is complete, just browse to the save path and there you will find your website file that you can now browse without worrying about internet connection. Here select index. Here you can see the entire website which is downloaded now offline and you can use it anytime. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe the channel.